Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites. BlueStacks 5 installed Android Studio with platform tools ready. Once BlueStacks runs, open Settings and enable Android Debug Bridge so it accepts ADB. Make sure you know the emulator IP and ADB port, often 127. 0, 0, 1, 5555 or a dynamic port, write it down. Next, open a terminal in Android Studio. This initial setup lets Android Studio communicate. Without ADB enabled, the rest won't work, so verify this now before proceeding. You now create the ADB connection. In Android Studio's terminal, type a dbkill server then a dbstart server to reset ADB. Once running, execute a dbconnect 127, 0, 0, 1, 5555 or the port BlueStacks showed. That command links your studio to BlueStacks. Next, run a DB devices. You should see a device ID flagged as device. If it shows offline, wait a few seconds and retry a DB connect. This step makes BlueStacks appear as a deploy target so you can run and debug apps. You finish by selecting the BlueStacks entry in Android Studio's device chooser and click Run to install your APK. Use Logcat for real-time logs and the debugger for breakpoints. If deployment fails, try common fixes. A DB disconnect then a DB connect, restart BlueStacks, or reboot your development PC. Also confirm firewall or VPN isn't blocking localhost ports. One key troubleshooting tip: if devices don't appear, restart a DB and BlueStacks in that order, then rerun a DB connect. That resolves most connectivity problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.